First things first, why on earth are we talking about a project management tool like Wrike when you are standing on the doorstep of retirement or already walking through it? I know what you're thinking. Susie, I am trying to wind down, not manage a corporate product launch. Listen to me. Retirement is not a total hard stop where your brain just goes to sleep. For so many of you, it is the beginning of your most active chapter. You are launching that consulting practice you've dreamed about for decades. You are organizing a massive community charity drive. You are managing a multi-generational family estate, or maybe you're finally writing that book. But here is the problem, and it is a problem that breaks my heart because it is so entirely avoidable. You are trying to manage these beautiful, important passion projects using sticky notes, scattered emails, and pure mental exhaustion. You are overwhelming yourself at the exact moment in your life when you should be feeling a sense of liberation and control. I know the fear that keeps you up at night. You look at these modern software tools and you think, I didn't grow up with this. It's too complicated. It's too high-tech. And if I try to use it, I'm just going to mess it up, lose my data, and waste my precious time. You are afraid of feeling left behind by technology. But worse than that, you are afraid that without the rigid structure of your old 9-to-5 job, your days are going to turn into a disorganized blur where nothing actually gets accomplished. Let's answer the big question right now. How do you build a workflow in Wrike that actually works for you without needing a degree in computer science? It is so much simpler than the tech gurus want you to believe. Think of Wrike as nothing more than a digital filing cabinet with built-in smarts. To build a workflow, you only need to understand 3 core concepts: spaces, folders, and tasks. First, you create your space. This is your high-level category. Let's say your passion project is writing a memoir. Your space is called My Book. Inside that space, you create folders which are just the major phases of your project. You might have a folder called Research, one called Writing Chapters, and one called Editing. Now, here is where the actual magic of the workflow happens, and I want you to pay close attention. Inside those folders, you create tasks. A task is one single bite-sized action. Not write the book. No, that is overwhelming. Your task is write 500 words of chapter 1. The heart of your workflow is how these tasks move from start to finish. Wrike uses statuses, and for your life right now, you only need 3 simple statuses: to do, in progress, and completed. When you start your morning cup of coffee, you open Wrike, look at your to-do list, and you pick one thing. You change its status to in progress. That is your commitment to yourself for the day. When you finish, you click that glorious button and change it to completed. Here is your actionable takeaway for today, and I want you to promise me you will do this. Do not try to build a massive, complex corporate system. Go to Wrike, sign up for a simple account, and build just one project with exactly 5 tasks. Put them in order. Practice moving a task from to do to in progress to completed. When you see your progress laid out visually right in front of you, the anxiety melts away. You realize that you control your time. Your time does not control you. You are protecting your peace, you are organizing your dreams, and you are proving to yourself that you are capable of mastering any tool that serves your future. You can do this.